and good morning. Today it's Monday, it's a new week. I'm in the studio as you can see and I'm waiting for a newborn session with a little boy. It's a fully booked week this week, so I'm really excited to show you some settings that I use, some backdrops, some materials, and just show you what it's like to set up decors in the studio for newborn, baby, cake smash, maternity photography. So today I have a newborn shoot with a little boy. I have my beanbag right here. So the parents will be sitting here. Here I have the backdrops which can go on the beanbag. They're stretch. Here are my posing pillows. Here I have the beanbag with the backdrop and some wraps already. So yeah, here's my flash. I've got a lot of blankets here. The baby shusher, the heater. Here's the little kitchen. Parents can grab coffee, tea, whatever. Flocati, we can take some photos. Here are some outfits that they can choose from when siblings tag along. There's a little play area, or they can sit at the table. Well, this is all maternity sitter, so that's not using today. That's for the family photos. And there we have a cool little Ikea bed. Okay, so I'm actually preparing some packages with gift certificates. So I write for who it's for, the date until it's valid, and the code. Then I add a little postcard with just a message of the person sending the gift certificate. I'll add my business card, just a little card as well, and some flyers, cake smash newborn. Let me show you how I'll wrap it. So here I have some nice piece of paper. I just fold it double to create like a little envelope where I can put the gift certificate in. And I cut a piece off. This is the little envelope. I will add a nice sticker to close the envelope. So I just folded up a piece of cardboard. I have like a lot of this cool paper. I have other designs as well. So I'll just fold it double, paste this wooden sticker on top, and then I can just put the gift certificate inside. Add the business card, the postcard, the flyers, maybe an extra card, and put it in an envelope. So that's my gift certificate. So I'm gonna post 2 of them right now. Here you can see how cool this paper is. Oh, this is something else. So I bought them actually at Action. Great store, very cheap stuff. Well, good morning. As you can see in my blue face, it's still really early in the morning. It's not even 9 AM, but I mean, it's not like I just woke up. Our son actually woke up at 5 this morning. Normally he wakes up like at 7:30 when we have to wake up our daughter to go to school, but he woke up at 5 today. No idea why. So I took the 5 to 6 shift, and then I slept a little bit, and my husband took the 6 until wake up time shift. But anyway, I have an engaged couple coming over to get to know me a little bit. We're going to look at the demo albums. We're going to talk about their wedding day, and then they're going to decide if they want to book me as their wedding photographer for September next year. Afterwards, I have a cake smash session with a little girl. The cake is beautiful, like green with peach and yellow. I'll show you in a second, and I'm setting up the decor right now. So I already did half of the decor. So here I have my 3 demo albums they can look at, just different photos. I think I've showed them in a previous week vlog. And here we have the cake, really pretty. Yeah, this is what the decor turned out to be like, just very soft. got a few albums and I'm gonna check them to see if they're okay. So this is what I have to pack the albums with. And I have some special boxes. So yes, the only other things I add is this little greeting card. I'll just write something on the back. And then my 2 business cards. So this is the more appropriate one. The weddings. But I also add this one in case they might need me in the future. Well, hello, it's Thursday. I have 2 newborn sessions today, 1 girl in the morning and 1 little boy in the afternoon. The boy's already 1 month old, so he's not as much of a newborn anymore, but we're still gonna try to take photos with the same backgrounds and outfits and everything, but he might be awake a little bit more. The girl is a newborn. I have sent the parents an email like the day before the shoot, asking them if they're okay, just confirming once more that we have the session today and at what time. And I've added different photos with different color schemes, like all photos that I took in the previous years, but sorted by different color schemes. And then I asked them what they like more, so I can already make sure that I have the right color on the beanbag and just the things that I need. Okay, so I've sent the parents these 6 photos, asking them if they want to have light and bright and white photos. Then I asked them if they prefer like these earthy tones, like beige, sand colored, brown colored, or if they prefer like purple and pink and pastel colors, or blue and green and gray, and those kind of colors. So here I've just sent them different examples, and then they could reply what they like the most. The parents told me they like creamy white colors with some pink and purple. So I've put on a creamy colored backdrop, some scarves. Parents can sit here, and I'm gonna make the bed. So yes, the bed is green, so you might think, okay, does it fit with the pink? I think it does. I think it's really cute. So I'm so excited we got to use the Ikea doll bed in the last newborn shoot, and I got to film it a little bit. So I took off the bedding because now there's a little boy coming. And the parents have chosen like colors for their newborn session. Some green, some blue, some mint, gray, just some cool looking boy photos. That's what they requested. So I'm gonna make his bed. So I think this looks really cool. It's funny, but because of the green color of the bed, the gray blanket almost looks green as well. So this is what I put ready as far as the backdrop. And there's a little pillow here. And here I have some wraps. Posing beans, sitting area. Well, hello, today it is Friday, and I have a newborn session today, and I received new posters. Oh, did not see this coming. Seriously. Okay, so short update. I think 2 week vlogs ago I received posters to put in the windows here in my studio, and they got here damaged. So like the edges were really wrinkled. I actually put one poster behind me on the wall, but on the back of the poster it has like black patches. The bottom and the top were damaged, so I had to cut a part off. Anyway, I wrote that to the company and they told me I could reorder my posters for free, of course. So that's what I did. But now they arrived and look at this. So I think there's just something wrong with the transportation, because here the cover or like the cap that's supposed to close the tube is completely pressed inwards. And I think the posters are damaged as well. Again. Okay, let me just see what the damage is. Okay, so the outside of the window is now actually really dirty again, even though I just cleaned it. I have so many windows, but I'm not complaining. So I'm gonna put the newborn poster up, and then I'm gonna stop for now and set up for the newborn session, because I have to charge my Windows vac cleaning thingy, because the battery's dead. But at least I got to do one window, only on the inside. Okay. Okay, so I have no idea if it's hanging straight in the middle of the window. I should have checked that before. Anyway, it's hanging right now. It's not in the middle of the window, clearly, but that's fine for now. Okay, here in the bottom you can see how it was a little bit damaged, but oh well, for now it's fine. I can always change it later. So, one more project. I'm gonna take away that poster and hang it above the beanbag. That's what I wanted initially. And this is it. So the poster's up, and the mom has chosen the color salmon and white and flowers for the shoot. So that's what we're gonna work with. And she's almost here, so I'm gonna get my camera. I'm back home with a little package I'm really excited to open. I actually was supposed to have a newborn shoot and a maternity shoot today. And then last night I got an email that the lady was sick who was supposed to come for the maternity session. So she wants to reschedule. I'm not quite sure if we can reschedule, because it's actually quite busy right now, but we'll see. So I had already 3 babies born who let me know yesterday. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna open this in the studio tomorrow. Now we're going to Ikea to buy a new doll bed for our daughter and for our son, because I'm using theirs in the studio. And to just buy a few more little items like oil for the kitchen, wood. But anyway, lovely package. Off to Ikea. So here we are in Ikea, and this is the infamous bed. So we're still at Ikea, and look what I found. This really cool blanket, which I think is really nice for over the beanbag. I always love this off-white. And I think for boys this looks really cool. So they actually sell them here. It's called the Inga Brita. And it's very stretchy. I still love this chair. We just really don't need it. It's so pretty. Well, hello and good morning. Today it is Saturday and I have 2 sessions today. First, a cake smash session with twins, a boy and a girl. So we're gonna go for mint green, white and gray as theme colors. And then afterwards I have a maternity shoot. And I'm gonna open a package. But first I'm gonna set up for the cake smash, so I'll take you along. Here we have some decor. This is gonna be the backdrop. And here are the cakes. So this one is for the little girl. And then this one is for the little boy. So here we got the setup for now. So first we'll do some portrait photos individually, then together, and then with the cake, and then the bath. So the cake smell session with the twins went great, and now I'm opening up a little package I got. I paid for it myself, but I ordered these on Black Friday. It took a while for her to make them, but I think they're lovely, so I'm gonna open it. So it's from het haakwengeltje. So let's open. First of all, this beautiful little romper in like a beige color scent and in purple, and it has this cute little ribbon here in the back. Then I have this little outfit, and I actually have it in 3 different colors. Beautiful, very pretty. Oh yeah, so I have a little hat to go with one of the outfits. And, well, actually, these ones have little hats as well, like little bonnets. Very pretty. Oh yeah, and I have a little bear hat. Super cute. And she gave me a little present, little heart, which we can use around Valentine's Day. So these 3 little outfits with matching hats. 2 rompers, these are super soft, with matching hats for those rompers. Little heart that newborns can hold with their hands or in between their feet. Very pretty. Super happy. So I've actually put up my other poster as well. And I decided to put them a little bit lower. And what I did is I lowered the other poster I already put on as well. So I can open the curtains a little bit, and the people cannot really peek in above the poster or underneath, but it still gives me a little bit of extra daylight sometimes, so I can open up the curtains a little bit. So yeah, that door has a one-way vision sticker. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hoped you enjoyed this week vlog. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and then I'll see you in the comments, and you see me in my next video. Bye bye.